At Best Reviews, our expert reviewers spend thousands of hours researching, analyzing, and testing products to recommend the best picks for most consumers. We'll present our experts' take on the pros and cons of each product, plus point out our best of the best pick and our best value pick to help you decide which product is right for you.
The first Canon DSLR camera is our best of the best pick. Here are the pros. Superb autofocusing features, including a servo AI mode that can track a subject as it moves across the scene. Users also love the ability to transfer photos wirelessly as well as the on-screen assistance for the camera's various modes. Here are the cons. Expensive. Some users complain that they had difficulty getting a sharp viewfinder image. The best reviews bottom line. A top-of-the-line DSLR that takes superb photos and video and includes an articulating touchscreen that users love. The best of breed. We rated this Canon DSLR camera as our best value pick. Here are the pros. An on-screen feature guide helps newbies understand the various camera modes and settings. It also connects to Android devices so you can use a phone as a remote control. Here are the cons. Integrated Wi-Fi only works with mobile devices, not PCs. Some users also complain about inaccurate color reproduction. The best reviews bottom line. The best choice for anyone new to DSLRs or looking for a lightweight camera. It contains all the essential DSLR features packed into a tiny package. The next Canon DSLR camera is our third top pick. Here are the pros. Shoots excellent video with good sound and excellent autofocus in video mode. Here are the cons. Enough users cited reliability issues, such as dead pixels and even more significant repairs, to warrant caution. The best reviews bottom line. An excellent mid-range DSLR that many users rely on primarily for video recording. We rank this Canon DSLR camera as our fourth top pick. Here are the pros. Lightweight camera with most of the basic features of more pricey cameras. Not only does it have a tilt-out touchscreen, but it is very easy for beginners to master. Here are the cons. Some users complain that the autofocus is a bit sluggish. The video quality also suffers, especially in low light. The best reviews bottom line. A competent entry-level camera that doesn't offer much in the way of unique features to separate it from the pack. This Canon DSLR camera is our final top pick. Here are the pros. The smallest DSLR on the market, users rave that it's so lightweight that their bag feels empty. Even so, it delivers exposure controls and image quality similar to other Canon models. Here are the cons. Short battery life limits the amount of video you can shoot. Some users also complain about low light performance and distracting chromatic aberration in some situations. The best reviews bottom line. A powerful and lightweight entry-level DSLR that takes excellent photos but might not be the best choice if you plan to do a lot of video.
We hope our expert research and testing notes will simplify your purchasing decision and help you decide which product is right for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to visit bestreviews.com for more in-depth product reviews.